everybody, it's your boy Pierre. I'm back, man. We got another one. Today we gonna head over to the bowling alley with a couple guys. Look what the hell we got going on up here. Somebody shit on fire. On fire. Big fire. Fucking car burning down out here, man. Shit hot as hell too. But check it out. Better get away from him. There you go. Damn, that shit hot. I can feel it back here. Come on! Bro, that's messed up. I don't know how that car caught on fire, but you know, I hope everybody made out that car safe. But yeah, man. I'm headed to a little gathering, and I bumped into this, so just made a quick little video about it. But prayers up for them, man. That's sad, man. You just lost your car. I don't know if it was kids in there or nothing like that, but I just pray everybody was safe. But that thing's burning pretty good, man. I don't see the people who was in that car, but haven't pulled nobody out or nothing. They had to be safe. I mean, I pray they are. Good grief. That was bad. Now I gotta get up out of here. I'm all on the grass. Hope they don't try to give me no tickets. Feel me? Somebody back there in the Charger trying to keep up. I keep messing with them. I don't know who it is. Yeah, that dude's Instagram thing for me. Did it so long ago, I ain't seen him. Pulling in her like that made all that noise. We'll just all laid back. They just laid back. Nice little lineup. The sun is beaming, baby. Let's see if these guys can bowl. I'm glad I looked. They don't want no weapons in here, so gotta take the weapon back to the car. It's cool though. It ain't far. You know, we just here to have a good time. Nothing like that. Boy Jay out there taking pictures. Go follow his Instagram, JHemi345. See him. Getting the angles of the line up. Nice line up there. So walked in. They're not weapon friendly.
Oh yeah, most bowling alleys are.
No weapons.
Sell liquor.
No weapons.
They sell liquor, buddy.
Yeah, I walked in. I'm like, dang, I forgot to even check. Let me go out.
Motherfuckers didn't have security in there, did they?
No. No.
I'm still mad at your ass for going to that little the concert.
Oh yeah.
I had to walk all the way back to the car. I'm like, that's some bullshit.
See, when I got up there, I was like, bet. I'm Can't bring them in. I'm like,
That's a
God.
long ass fucking walk.
Yeah.
They should have had signs posted at the very beginning of that bitch.
And then I had asked, I'm like, look, I'm not even gonna be in here long.
Right.
I'm like, I got one of them. It was, I went to the little young kid. I just went. He's like, man, just go ahead. I'm like, cool.
What you got, a Ruben?
Yeah, a little 380.
Oh, okay.
Talking about on me right now?
Oh, shit, you got them all close and shit.
Oh yeah, I got a lot of guns.
Yeah.
I've been into that. Maybe next time. Let's see what we got. Okay. Just to warm up?
Bro, I was the first. I don't like that ball. I ain't gonna lie.
All right. Oh, I caught you. What the?
I'm mad, bro.
Hey, I don't bowl, but they build my confidence. That's building my confidence right there. All them gutters they throwing. That's building my confidence.
Wow.
Finally made it.
Alright. That shit looks sick, though. I just had to record that shit. Oh, hell yeah.
Finally made it out.
We was coming out the bathroom. My boy said, I think I just seen your boy. A red one just drove past.
Yeah.
Past that way.
Yeah, I just seen it. You was sitting at the light.
I'm pretty sure that's it.
Oh, yeah, sitting at the light.
Oh, the tagging, the location.
Yeah, it showed me down there, and I had to turn around that small ass shit.
And I was sitting in the car. That shit said 23,300. That ain't
Okay. Okay. I guess I'll start mine too. Guess I'll start mine. I know you cut your pipes already, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
First day. First day I had, I cut
I was just thinking, I'm like, you know what? I was gonna do it before the winter, but I think I'm gonna wait till next summer. That'll be my first look.
It's gonna feel good.
I only got one more year with that car and then turn it in.
Yeah, go crazy. Cut the wall. I might straight pipe. I don't know. But that's gonna be way loud because that thing's already loud.
That will look good. So you got rid of the Durango?
Yeah. I'm sad though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm missing. You can go get it. I think actually I might get sold.
His nah, he talking about his adult toys. His adult toy. He was feeling naked.
Okay.
Tail lights. Good jeez.
Yeah, that's a nice little lineup. This gonna be the next move. Cause when we got that, just for me and my wife, but we find ourselves having the damn kids in there a lot now. So it's like, might go with the 4-door.
You got room for days. I ain't gonna. It's just I'm tall, so I got my feet all in.
Okay.
Yep, I put that on. Tinted the tail lights. D-badge the Dodge. I put this on because this thing come had an RT right there. I took that off, put that on there. Tinted the side markers. Yeah, that's it. Tinted
Did it
the
yourself?
Yeah, I did all mine. Hey, Will should have a video coming out.
Someone's going slow with the video?
Yeah. But for the most part.
Yeah. Oh my lord.
Oh yeah, and I did that. The scat pack on door seal.
I've been thinking about doing this.
I mean, it's cool because I got that
Oh, yeah.
on Amazon.
Oh, you already bought it done?
Yeah, it brought off Amazon.
This thing looks
It's on the back ones too. Don't worry about it. I didn't wash my car. Don't worry about it. But it's on the back ones too. Don't worry about the paper.
Oh man, that thing. I think I gotta make that move.
No, I'm telling you, bro. It was just it was sitting there. I was like, bro,
I love the Challengers. Don't get me wrong.
Oh, I love it too.
I would rather have both. Right now, I don't have the money to do both. Okay, talk to me. Talk to me. I hear you. talking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This thing look good. That SRT8 05 silver joint. It was only 54 of these joints made. We gotta figure out what number this was. Look at the 345 on top. Check out Blue Magic. Magic. If y'all not following my Instagram, go do so. Go do so. You gotta watch this guy. He like. You gotta watch this guy. He's always doing something. He always gotta do something. He always gotta do something.
Alright, I'm gonna need you to send me that video, bro.
Yeah. I knew it. I knew it.
I knew I get one.
You ready to upgrade? I knew it. I said this guy always up to something.
See, that's why I was afraid. I never.
See? Marked his territory.
Oh man.
Was you scared?
No, not too much.
No.
I did come down, but I remember how that feeling.
Damn, butthole clenched up. Like, oh, shit.
That was awesome.
I haven't do that crazy. That was
I know.
Right.
See,
Girl?
that's why I said
Yeah.
that's why I can't
That
do
rush
it.
that just hit you like, oh.
a lot of steel smoking. Look.
I know.
God damn.
Y'all see it?
We're going to do a lot of tires, though.
I know. That's
We.
the thing. Car no car. No,
They're like they primed that or something. There's 200.
and just keep it.
Loud.
Still thinking about that ride, huh?
Yeah, that was fun. That was fun.
Yes, he's trying to laugh, bro.
I gotta go on the ride next.
It's easy, you know.
About to burn him? Oh, yeah, don't do that. We about to pull off. Hold on, we about to pull off.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, there's a little battle here? Are we having a battle? Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Hear you. Hear you. Hear you. Hear you. What'd you say? What you doing back there, buddy? He's up to something. That guy's up to something. That guy's up to something. What'd you say? they just gonna leave us, huh? Okay. Oh, we can get up. Yeah. Must pick up. Don't get it twisted. We can't pick up the pace.